Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo V27 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, wrong pin entered. Here you can see this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, this device is locked. Try again in 25 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, press the volume up and power key together. Now tap on power off. So as you can see, it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. And you can see it will send you Vivo 5G fast boot mode. Now volume key is to select and power button to confirm. Now here go to recovery mode. Here go to recovery mode and confirm. So here you can see in recovery mode, install software, clear data, check system, and enter safe mode is available. And here we have power off and restart option available. So here you can see clear data. So simply tap on clear data. Here you can use the touch feature, tap on clear data. So here you can see clear cache, clear all data. Okay, now here simply tap on clear all data. So here you can see here you can see clear all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos, and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Here you can see proceed with caution. Here you can see. Now simply tap on OK. So here you can see clearing data. Do not use the device. It is clearing data. So here you can see cleared, all data cleared. Now simply tap on return, and after it go back and restart the system. You can see restart your device, tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, when it asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo V27 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.